Good morning, lads. It's day 3 for my hair transplant, and this morning I'm able to do the first shampoo. And we're going. This is all alive. We're gonna put Baby Johnson, nice and gentle, and the water has to be cold. Okay, voila. So excited because now we'll touch my hair for the first time in this spot. Hey, voila. The light is not that great, or maybe it's my phone, but yeah, here we are. Perfect. The Josh's hand, they are very warm, you know, so let's make sure the water is cold. Hey, voila. Oh, nice. What a nice feeling. Oh, it's been 3 days I don't wash my hair, and oh, beautiful. Usually the barber, when used to washing my hair, they used to do only on the back. Now at least you're gonna go on the forehead, you know, you can see sleepy hair over there. Hey, voila. Wow. Seems like even my skin looks better. Perfect. Yeah. Yes, you see, nice and gentle, and I'm gonna touch as well now. I will touch as well. Did you mind, Josh? I'm gonna touch.
Go ahead.
It's wow, yeah.
Go ahead.
Oh, telling you, couldn't wait. Hey, voila. I don't want to make the video too long, and now we're gonna rinse. I'm gonna show the part when we have it to dry. I use the paper towel rather than usual one. That's what I've been advised from the doctor. He told me to use like the paper towel, alright? Hey, voila. Looks good, looks good. Hey, voila. Perfect. And then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna tap like this. That's it. Perfect. Look, my man, it's beautiful, alright? Hey, voila. Perfect.